okay. Oh.
Try and grip it a bit so
Yeah,
there's
try
not.
and rip it, Sandy.
Okay.
You go ahead. Try and
No,
grab it.
Whoa,
Leslie,
look at
grab
the
it.
fishies.
Grab it off him.
Why?
Grab it off and give it to your mom so she can rip it.
Okay. Let's just see if I can get any bits of it.
Sorry, fishies.
Here's one piece.
Baby, go. Stingray.
Where's the bucket, Sandy?
Right there. Here he comes. Okay, sit on me. Baby. Okay. It's okay, babe.
What? He's gonna grab it. He's gonna grab that.
You want to touch him? Pet him. Pet him, babe. He's really soft.
Touch him, Lisbon.
He's really soft. He's really soft, baby. It's okay, baby. It's okay. Baby, he's really soft. He's like velvet. Okay? It's okay, babe. He's super soft. Reach your hand out.
Oh, no.
Where's your foot, Lisbeth? Here, splash. Splash. Splash me. Okay, I'm gonna chase you. I'm gonna chase you. Okay, I'm right behind you. Yeah, here you go. I got you. Chase. Come on, you got to run fast. No way, I'm gonna catch you before you get to her. Yeah.
Annie, she wants you. She's running from the middle. Delicious. Let's go splash in the water.
Wow. Lisbeth, look at Bobo.
Try and get over it.
Watch your feet there, dear. Look at this, he's going for a swim with Granny. Ah, enema.
Get ready. What a big one.
You want to...
We all fall down.
Look at this. She wants to take her pants off. Let her take her pants off. Take them off, Sandy.
She's not coming. She's
Nice. She wants to take them off.
What's that?
Well, when she gets back to the boat, she can be naked. Hold on, hold on. Yeah, boy! Yeah! Good one. Throw him in, throw him in. Yeah. Yeah, good. Okay, now go get me more. And there's our crew, all seasick. Except for Ryan. Ryan's holding on to it, keeping it going. Conditions are a little rough today. Not bad. A little spicy is what you call it. Not too bad. Beautiful sunrise there. That has not impressed. This isn't the Love Boat. That's fine. You can pet him right here like this. Come on, pet him, pet the piggy.
Look, there's a baby one.
There's lots of baby ones over there in the herd, in the thing.
Good morning, Samuel Key and Black Point. This is Kim.
You want to take them home?
Yeah, they're feeding there. You don't want to get in the middle of that.
Lisbon. Take your shorts off so you don't get them wet. Atta girl. Nice. Good job. Good job. Yes. Oh, don't rush. Don't rush. Hey, Lisbon, put it up on the chair so they don't get all dirty. You don't want that. Okay. What? What's it like? Is it nice? Whoa! Slippery. Good for you. Hey, you want to splash me? Go ahead, splash. Splash more than that. Use your hands. Use your hands. Splash. Great there, dear. Yeah, you're loving the water here. How's the bottom? Nice? It's a nice bottom? Atta girl. Wow. Very nice. Your Uncle Wyatt would do that. That's what your Uncle Wyatt does with his towels. Haha. Oh, look at, there's another little pool. For little people like you. Here, give me the towel. Give me the towel. No, hey, come back here. Pick up the towel. You just can't drop it. I'm not your mother. Yeah, thank you. Now you go. Okay, we're gonna go see Granny. So we can go to the beach. Come on. Come on, you can wear the towel like Beavis and Butthead. No, you can't take that off here. Okay, that's it. No, Lisbon. What do you? No. No, Lisbon, I'll come in and get you. Don't do that. No, you can't do that here. Lisbon, you can't do that. Lisbon. Jesus Christ. You can't do that. Okay, we had to go see Granny. You want to go see Granny? We'll never find Granny if you don't come. We gotta go get Granny. We're gonna go to the beach. Yes. You want to stay here? No. Is that what you say? No to everything? Let's go. We got responsibilities. Don't you want to have responsibilities? Good. Come on, let's have some responsibility then. Come on, let's go see Granny. Okay, we're gonna put your towel on. No, okay. We gotta get your shoes on. You know where your shoes are? Lisbon, do you know where your shoes are? You don't know where your shoes are. Where are your shoes? No, they're over here, dear. Over here, Lisbon. Right here. Go, put over here, dear. Lisbon, over here. Lisbon, right here. Oh my God. Oh, she doesn't pay attention. Come on. No. Do you see this massive tug of war, push-pull situation come? I mean, this is exactly what I went through with her mother. And actually, it actually continues on. She takes after her mother. Some may say she takes after me. She is definitely a wild card, but I'll tell you, we had a lot of fun, just her and I. Go, put your shoes on. No! Jesus. Okay, we're done. You're going back to the... Guys, the Navicula at 43 feet is a small vessel at Atlantis. Actually, at 43 feet, most of these super yachts tenders are as big as the Navicula. Now, I have to pay for 50 feet when I go in here. No problem. It's a beautiful spot. And what's really cool is, I didn't happen to capture it this year, but is when these super yachts come into dock and the skill and of course the technology that's involved in these super yachts to spin around and back in without hitting each other is amazing. And it's quite a sight to see. Anyways, at nighttime, they're all lit up and, you know, people are enjoying the super yachts. And some of the people are very nice. I mean, you know, we do get to talk to some of the owners and the crew of these vessels. And you know what? They're just people like us. They're having a good time. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for part 2 of the Atlantis adventure. It's you know what, having a grandchild here is a lot of fun, you know, and hopefully we'll get the other one out here as soon as he's old enough.